Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the device so the inspection is stable. Make sure the iPhone has at least 20% battery and a recent backup, then open Settings and go to Privacy. Once there, tap Location Services and enable it if off. This allows inspection apps and maps to function. Next, review individual app permissions so your inspection app can access camera, microphone, or files. Doing this up front prevents interruptions and explains why some tools need specific access. You now perform the core inspection actions. Launch the inspection or camera app and position the phone for clear views. Take photos and short videos with timestamps to document conditions. Use the Voice Memos app for verbal notes and the magnifier for close detail. If network issues matter, run the built-in Wi-Fi and cellular diagnostics in Settings. For orientation, check the compass and level. Once done, organize files into a single album or folder so they're easy to reference. You finish by verifying and exporting your results. Review each photo, video, and note. Rename or tag files so a viewer understands context, then export using AirDrop, Mail, or your cloud service with proper permissions. Make sure timestamps are visible and metadata preserved. If something fails, apps crash, camera won't save, restart the iPhone, check for iOS updates, and toggle airplane mode to reset network services. After that, repeat the capture steps. This sequence resolves most common issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.